So, welcome students for this foundation class. As you know, we have started this foundation class for ninth standard and 10th standard students, primarily to develop or give some inputs on ninth and 10th subjects so that you will be well prepared to face the challenges of preparation for NEET and JEE in 11th and 12th. The 11th and 12th portions are almost 6 times bigger than the 10th. That's a real problem. So you have 2 years, but still it may be a big challenge for many of us, many of our students. So once they are little clear on the concepts on ninth and 10th, 11th and 12th portions will look little easier. That is the whole idea. So 11th and 12th, we'll be going slow. We'll be touching all the concepts one by one. We are not in a hurry to do some more problems, etc. We are basically aiming at clearing the concepts so that our students will be ready to take up some bigger problems, tougher problems in the 11th and 12th. That is the idea. So we today we will start the science, and our student come teacher. She was our student, and now she is doing her MSc. Premi is joining us, and she will handle the class. And Premi, I think, has a plan to do a small test for all our students today, and then the actual class will start from next onward. But she wanted to try out a test so that she can assess our students, the level of our students. That will give her an idea like how to go about doing the classes. Premi, the floor is yours. You can now start.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. Good evening, all. So, I'm Premi. I'm currently pursuing my PG at Sri Sharda College, Salem. So, that's all about me. I'm going to handle science. Today, let us see physics mainly. So, I have a
You can share
questions
your
in physics.
whatever you have materials.
Yes, sir.
Good, good, very good. It is visible, Premi. Your oh, sorry.
Yes, sir. Is my screen visible, sir?
Screen is not. I mean, right now it's visible. Oh my God! It got tilted. Now it's okay.
Okay, sir. So, first question.
Uh,
Inian and Erilin
Premi,
Yes, sir.
can you make the font little bigger?
Sir, once again.
Can you make little bigger? Not very big, little bigger. We are able to read. Are you able to read, children, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Little
sir.
bigger
Yes,
would be
sir.
better. Little bigger, not very big. Little bigger would be better. I don't know whether you can do it because you are taking from your mobile phone, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because your laptop some problem, huh?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Now it's okay. Now I think it's okay. Okay, it's okay. Okay. Good. Enough. Good.
Yes, sir. So our first question, Inian and Erilan argue about the light year. Inian tells that it is 9.46 into 10 power 15 meter and Erilan argues that it is 9.46 into 10 power 12 kilometer. Who is right? Justify your answer. Students, can anyone one of you?
No, I will, Premi, let me, I will read once. Premi, we can go a
Yes.
little slow while reading also. Inian
Okay, sir.
and Elilan, these are the two students, okay, argue about the light year. Inian tells that it is 9.46 into 10 power 15 meter. And Elilan argues that it is 9.46 into 10 power 12 kilometer. Who is right? Justify your answer. Can anybody read this? Maybe Sabari, can you read it once?
Yes, sir. Inian and Elilan argue about the light year. Inian tells that it is 9.46 into 10 to the power 15 meter, and Elilan argues that it is 9.46 into 10 power 12 kilometer. Who is right? Justify your answer.
So, what is right? Who is right? Why you are taking so much time? I don't know. What is your confusion? 9.46 into 10 power 15 meter. If you convert that into kilometer, how much you will get? Nine point four six into 10 power 15 meter and 9.46 into 10 power 12 kilometer is same. Both are same.
Because 1 meter is equal. Yeah,
1
1
kilometer
kilometer
equal to
is equal
1000
to
meter.
1000 meter.
Are you able to understand,
So 10
children? Students?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No, other
sir.
students, I want to hear from everybody. Perly students, are you able to understand, please?
Yes, sir.
Right. So now the answer is both are correct. Am I correct, Premi? You now we carry on, Premi. I am
Yes.
just interfering because initially, I know these our children very somewhat better than you. That is the reason. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right.
Okay. The next question is the area under velocity time graph represents what?
Interestingly, Premi, this question was given by me to NEET boys and girls, that 11th and 12th last week.
Okay, sir.
Okay. The area under velocity time graph, that is velocity on the y-axis, time on the x-axis, or time on the x-axis, velocity on the y-axis, whatever it is. Graph represents.
Someone answered displacement. That is correct.
Premi, we can wait for a couple of seconds so that others can also. Yeah,
Okay, sir.
any answer? One person has said displacement. What about others?
Speed of the moving object.
Speed of the moving object, is it correct? Because velocity into time will give you what?
Displacement, sir.
Displacement. So, yeah, you can explain, Premi. I'm sorry. Sorry for interfering little bit.
It is, we know velocity is the rate of change of displacement. Velocity is the rate of change of displacement. Rate of change means something, that is the displacement divided by time. How much distance we can cover in a time, that is known as velocity. So velocity times graph represents the displacement covered by the moving object. Okay. Again, first question. What is light?
Premi, I just have a doubt. Why
Yes,
it is
sir.
not speed of the moving object? Oh, no, sorry, no, not displacement. Okay, correct. No, carry on. Sorry.
Yes, sir. Okay. Before telling the value of here, what? Any one of you just unmute and say.
Now you can go to the third question. Third question is not visible. Third question is not visible.
No, sir, not third question. Meaning what is light year? That's first question.
You are asking the answer for first question?
Yes, sir. What
Yeah,
is
children,
light
can you
year?
explain? Can you give your answers for the first question?
Sir, the distance traveled by light in about 1 year, sir.
Yeah,
That is only light year. Oh,
correct.
okay. Now, the third question. How does a fish manage to rise up and move down in water? How does a fish manage up and move down in water? It's a logical question.
By the current of river, ma'am.
No.
How does a fish manage to rise up and move down in water? No, they have not said it is a river or a pond or something. Nobody has said it is a river.
It is a mechanism which is taking place in adaptation. Yeah, right. It is an adaptation of the fish. Just guess. Very easy only.
You can guess, children, you can guess also.
It's gills, ma'am.
Yeah, only. What is the function of fish? What is the function of the gill in that fish?
Exchange of it is used for breathing.
Yeah, it takes in the oxygen. So it takes in the oxygen to the gill and stores in the bladder. We know that when oxygen is filled in something, and when we put it in the water, it floats, it comes up. So that is the phenomena. Through the gills, it inhales the oxygen and stores it in the bladder so that it rises up, and when it wants to go down, it leaves the oxygen again out in the atmosphere to the gills.
Okay.
So that's that only it manages to rise up and move down in water.
Okay, good. Interesting.
Okay. Next question. Resistance of a wire depends on. Resistance of a wire depends on.
Temperature.
Temperature, ma'am.
Temperature.
Okay.
Temperature.
You have all the answers too. Just to confuse you, I've not given one more option.
It is
Ma'am,
all three.
Yeah, exactly. All the three.
It depends
For
on the
example?
temperature, it depends on the nature of material, it depends on the geometry of the material.
Because we take nature of the material, if it is plastic means its resistance will be higher. And for steel or iron, the resistance will be lower. And we can take some other, in other aspects, resistance is directly proportional to the length. We know the formula R is equal to resistivity into length by area. So resistance is directly proportional to the length and inversely proportional to the area, cross section of the area. So not only it also depends on the wire or something and area of its cross section. So the answer is resistance of a wire depends on temperature, nature of the material, and geometry. Geometry means all these area and all this. Okay, super. Now let's just go to the next question. Okay. This question is, you can work out. Very simple question. An athlete completes one round of a circular
No, no,
of a diameter.
we are not able to see this question. We are not able
Ma'am,
to see
we
the
can't see the screen, ma'am.
Okay.
Ah.
So this is okay now, sir?
Yes, yes.
Okay. An athlete completes one round of a circular track, diameter 200 meter, in 40 seconds. What will be the distance covered and the displacement at the end of 2 meter and 20 seconds?
At the end of 2 minutes and 20 seconds.
Yes, sir.
2 minutes. Let me calculate. I got the answer, but I will tell later. So what is the answer, children? Students? In 40 seconds, athlete completes one round of circular track of diameter 200 meters. So what is the answer you are getting? Let me see. I think some people have put in the chat. 0 meter. What will be
500 meter.
500 meter, 0 meter. Then what is the other one?
The distance covered will be 2,200 meters, sir.
Okay.
Okay, somewhat near.
Then displacement.
I think it will be 200 meters, sir.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, 2200 I'm getting.
Okay,
Yeah,
let me now explain.
Yeah, please explain. Yeah.
Yes, sir. First, you have to calculate. Circle is equal to 2 pi. They have given the diameter as 200 meter. So from the diameter, we can calculate the radius. This is equal to diameter by 2. So the radius of that circle is 100. By putting in the formula, perimeter is equal to 2 pi r. 2 into 3.1 into radius we calculated as 100. Yeah. 2 into pi value into 100. Gives the value by on multiplication gives 2 628. Okay. Now we know that
Premi,
velocity
the
is
video is
equal
not visible. The screen is not visible.
Yes, sir. Is it visible, sir?
No, not yet. But you are presenting, but why it is not visible?
Yes, I'm presenting only. I don't know.
You go out and again present it. Go out and come join.
Yes, sir.
Is it visible now, sir?
No, your screen is visible, but not your material.
Oh,
You have to go to that file, whatever file. No?
Yes, sir. I'm in that file only. I don't know why, sir. Maybe due to some network problem.
Can you
Yes, sir.
send your file by WhatsApp or by email to me? By WhatsApp, can you send?
Oh, yes, sir.
I will try to show the screen.
Okay, sir.
In the meantime, you can explain that. You send it WhatsApp. I will. In the meantime, you can explain that particular problem.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I got it. I will just try to open it. I'll put it in this one.
Okay, sir.
You explain that particular problem. In the meantime, I will. It will be ready.
Yes, sir. The diameter is given as 200 meter, and we have found the radius as 100 meter. And we know that velocity is the rate of change of distance or displacement. Velocity is the rate of change of displacement. So we know distance. We have just now found out the distance as 628. Distance is the perimeter of the circle. And by time, dividing by time, we know the time taken is 40 seconds. So calculating
628 by 40 is equal to 15.7 meter per second. We have found the velocity. First part is over.
and the next part. Next thing asked is what will be the distance covered and the displacement at the end of
2 meter and 20 seconds. Sorry, 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Distance after the 2 minutes and 20 seconds we can convert as for seconds we can convert. So 60 into 2 is equal to 120. 120 plus 20 is equal to 140 seconds. We know that distance is equal to velocity and velocity into time just by cross multiplication. So on multiplication, we can get distance 15.7 into 140, we get 1198 meters. Okay. Now distance we have found. Any doubt regarding that?
Premi, you can stop sharing. Let me see. I am able to share. Let me see.
Yes, sir. I've stopped, sir. Your screen is sharing, sir.
1 minute.
Students, can you understand how to find the distance?
1 minute. 1 minute. Just a minute. I will.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Are you able to see the screen, students?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I'll show you.
Yes, sir.
So this is this question we are I think athlete. This question we are there.
Yes, sir.
So now what she says, diameter is equal to 200. So radius is equal to 100. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Then
sir.
you are in 40 seconds. In 40 seconds, it covers the entire Sargam circle. It covers the Sargam circle. No, it's circumference, huh? Circumference. Circumference. What is that? That is equal to 2 pi, 2 into 22 divided by 7, okay, into R. R is 100. Okay, that is there. Now, in 2 minutes 20 seconds means how many seconds? 2 minute
140 seconds.
and 20 second is equal to 140 seconds. So, distance covered is equal to 2 into 22 by 7, that one, into, sorry, into 100 and into what is that, 140 divided by 40. Am I correct? I am dividing that by 40 and multiplying by 140. So how much you are getting? You simplify this. That is the answer.
3.5, sir.
Not 3 point. No, let's see. 5. It is 2200, isn't it?
Yes, sir. I have set for 140 by 40.
145 by 40. No, that's okay. So 2200 meter is the total distance covered. Now you have to work out for a displacement. How do you work out for displacement? Tell me, Praveen. I will write it.
Sir, we have velocity into time, sir. Distance is equal
Velocity
to velocity
into
into time.
time will give you displacement. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what is the velocity here? See, we have distance covered, we have found 2200 meters. What is the displacement? What is the value? Premi, are you in the line? 1 minute, I think she has left or something. See, network problem will be there for some people. Premi, are you there? I think she has left. Anyway, we will do one thing. I have a test paper. We will just quickly look at the test paper, and maybe Premi will let her join later to us. 1 minute, I will. Are you able to see this foundation class science test
Yes, sir.
dated July 17, 2024?
Yes, sir.
Yes? Are you
Yes,
able
sir.
to see this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll go to, I think Premi, I think you see they got disconnected. We'll go one by one. See, warm up questions. I have given warm up questions. Are you able to see the warm up questions? Children, are you able to? Huh?
Yes, sir. We can see it, sir.
Okay. So area under speed time graph gives what?
Distance covered, sir.
Distance covered, yes. Suppose if it is distance covered, if it is velocity time graph,
Displacement, sir.
displacement. Yeah, correct. Okay. So that is the answer. Okay. Next. Balance forces do not produce any acceleration, but they can change dash of the body.
Motion of the body, sir.
No. See, there is a body, there are forces, but the forces are balanced means forces are equal but in opposite direction. So the body cannot move. There won't be any motion.
Yes, sir.
Balance forces do not produce any acceleration means acceleration will be produced only when there is a motion. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Only when the body moves there is an acceleration. They are saying there is no acceleration, but what else can happen? It can change the shape of the body. Because of the force, the shape of the body can change. It may not move, but it can change the shape of the body. Okay? Hello? Are you with us, all of you? Premi? Oh, I think she's. Students, are you with us? Are you able to? 1 minute.
Yes, sir. We can hear you, sir.
Hear you, no? What about others? Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. Next question. Can you read it? Can anybody read next question? Marble. Third question. Can you read? Anybody can read third question? Please.
Marble stopped traveling some distance due to dash force.
What force? Premi, are you there? Okay, I think
Yes,
Premi.
sir.
Premi, now what happened was because you have got disconnected, I have sharing my this question paper. Hello.
Yes, sir. But
Yeah.
I was on line only, sir. I was speaking.
Oh
I don't know
my
why,
God.
what happened.
So, okay, I mean today you just listen how I am taking it. That will give you an idea. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, just be as a spectator, and next
Yes,
class
sir.
you can do that. Do this one. I think somebody is coming.
Yes, sir.
Somebody trying to join, but I'm not able to let them in. 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. I think some people are willing to join. All of you come in time, otherwise it's a big problem. No. Okay. No. Today I will take this class, and you just listen. So here, this answer is shape of the body. Shape of the body is the answer. Okay. Marble stop traveling some distance due to some force. What is that force?
Unbalanced force.
Okay, unbalanced force. It's okay.
Frictional force.
Frictional force, because there is they have not said any force is applied, so it is due to frictional force. Very good, very good, very good. It is frictional force. Very good. Okay. Of course, in the exam they will give options, but here I have not given the options. Okay, right. Then all points at the same depth in a liquid are under dash pressure. There is a liquid in a beaker or in a column, and under the same depth, the pressure will remain what?
Same.
Same, sir.
It will be same pressure. Okay, very good. Same pressure. Okay. Then pressure at a point due to the liquid on the surface of the liquid is. See, there is a water in a beaker. What will be the pressure on the surface of the water?
Less, sir.
No, I am not. No, but what is the equation for pressure? HGH. I mean, sorry.
Force by
Huh? Pressure at a point due to the liquid on the surface of the water. Surface of the water, H will be 0, no? Height will be 0. On the surface of the water, what will be the height?
0, sir.
0. So obviously pressure is also 0. Pressure is 0. Okay? What is the formula for pressure in a liquid? mgh. So at a point due to the liquid on the surface of the liquid, it will be 0. Okay. Archimedes principle is applicable to only liquids. Is it true or false? Archimedes.
False.
Huh?
False.
Why it's false? Give me reason. You are correct. You are correct. Archimedes principle is applicable to only liquids. False is correct. What is the argument? What is the explanation? It is applicable for gas also. It is applicable for gas also. So is only liquid is false. Okay. So that is the answer. Okay. Let's go to one. Okay. Read down 7th question. Can anybody read? Can anybody read 7th question?
Kinetic energy of a body can be negative.
True or false? What is the formula for kinetic energy? What is the formula for kinetic energy? Maybe I don't know whether it is covered in 10th standard. Kinetic energy, have you studied in 9th and 10th?
Sir, in 9th, not at, sir.
Not at 10th maybe. Actually, the kinetic energy of a body, the equation is of mv square. Of mv square. Because v square cannot be negative, so the kinetic energy of a body cannot be negative. Okay? So it's always positive. Okay? Sorry, that will be out of your syllabus. Next question. Can you read summary?
Speed of the sound does not depend on the pressure of the medium at constant temperature. True or false?
Speed of the sound does not depend on the pressure of the medium at a constant temperature. I don't know what is the answer. I am also not clear. 1 minute. Speed of the sound does not depend on the pressure of the medium at constant temperature. Let me see whether I have the answers. No, I don't have them. I forgot the answer. Okay. Okay, we will skip this question. We'll go next. Evaporation of water from the leaves is called dash. It helps the plant to keep.
Transpiration, sir.
What?
Transpiration.
Transpiration or perspiration? Transpiration, huh? Yes, I think transpiration. It helps to, the plant to keep
Cool, sir.
cool. Yes, it helps the plant to keep cool because it transpires. A transpiration, like we for human beings we call perspiration, but for the plant we call it transpiration. It helps the plant to keep cool. What is electrolysis process? What do we mean by that? Any idea? Have you heard of electrolysis process?
Sir, depositing one metal on another metal.
No, that is electroplating. Very good. Electroplating, yes, what you say is correct. Electrolysis process. Electrolysis process. Maybe you have not studied. Electrolysis process is nothing but splitting hydrogen and oxygen from the water. That process is called electrolysis process. Okay. Next. Atomic mass of hydrogen is same as that of proton. Is it correct? Atomic mass of any atom is equal to what?
Mass of proton and neutrons. Sir.
Yes, neutron plus proton, mass of proton plus mass of neutron. But atomic mass of hydrogen is same as that of proton, they say.
Sir, it doesn't have neutrons.
It doesn't have neutrons, so it is same as that of proton. Correct. Very good. Who has said this? Who has said this answer?
Harshit, sir.
Arshit, very good, Arshit. Correct. It does not have neutron. Correct. I mean, you have done. You have thought for a while. Maybe you are in 10th standard, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Because 9th they may not have this, but 10th. What is meant by concerted reactions? I don't know. What is meant by concerted reaction? Any idea? Concerted reaction? Anyway, I don't remember because I prepared this long years back. Now I don't remember. But let me check the answers. We can check the answers. No problem.
Actually means
Huh? Yes, madam.
concerted reaction means both the bond formation and bond breakage takes place simultaneously, sir.
Okay. Bond formation, bond breakage takes place simultaneously. Okay, very good. Okay, very good. So now we'll go to the question, some more questions. Shall we go for, I think we have some more, another 13, 14 minutes, we'll go. Question number 1. You just go through it and find the answer. Which of the following is the highest intermolecular forces of attraction?
Solid, sir.
What is the answer?
Solid, sir.
No, which number? A, B, C, D. Which is the answer?
Sir, I can't see a screen. Sir.
You can't see the screen.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh my God.
It is not.
So far it was not visible.
No, sir. Just
now
a
only
few
it's,
seconds.
not
sir.
visible, sir.
Oh my God. 1 minute, I'll just. Why it's not visible, I do not know. Oh, presentation has gone up. Now it should be visible?
Yes, sir. It is visible.
Yeah.
Sir.
What is the
Yes,
answer?
sir.
What is the answer?
Solid. Option D, sir.
Option D, because all other are liquid and gas, and highest intermolecular forces of attraction will be there only for the solid. And here, out of the 4 options, only one option is solid. So that is the answer. Very good. Okay, go to question number 2. Question number 2. You read out and get the answer. One of you read. One of you read the question.
The evaporation of a liquid can be best carried out in a
China, this, sir.
See, the evaporation of a liquid can be best carried out in a beaker, china dish, test tube, flask. So we have to find the answer. What is the answer?
China
think
dish.
China dish,
China
sir.
dish. Why? Why? What is the reason?
More surface area.
Correct. More surface area is exposed to the atmosphere. That is the that is the answer. Very good. So good going. Question two. Students who have not got the answer on your own, don't worry, because these are easy questions. But then it's asked in a slightly different way. That's all. Question three. Question three. Can you read it? Can
Which of
anybody?
the following upon shaking with water will not form a true solution?
Hmm. Which of the following upon shaking with water will not form a true solution? What is that?
Common salt, sir.
Think over, think over. Common salt is not correct, I think.
Sir, Al.
Alum. Is it alum? See, when shake with water, salt will form a true solution. Salt will definitely form a. Sorry, madam. No. Good evening, madam. Sorry, I don't know patient with that. So the answer is albumin, I think. It is albumin. Albumin, let me see. Is it albumin? Albumin is the answer. Okay. Go to question number 4. Can anybody read? Can any one of you read the question?
A 15% of alcohol solution means
Means what? They have given 4 options. 15% alcohol solution means what? 15%, 15 ml alcohol and 85 ml water. 15 ml alcohol and 100 ml water.
B, sir.
I mean, be careful. No, this may be slippery. You think, look at all
Yes,
the 4
sir.
options and then find out.
Sir, yes, sir.
B, sir.
One fellow says A, another fellow B. Any other answer? Both of you, please think about your answer. Both of you. I'm not saying it is wrong. I'm not saying it is right. The person who said B, you look at the answer, check your answer once again. A is the answer. Now somebody said A, they can explain now why A.
Sir, because 15% of 100 is 15 ml, sir.
What is that? Can you come again?
15% of 100 is 15 only, no, sir.
Yeah. No, I think you have not explained it properly. Can you explain it properly? 15%, 15 ml alcohol and 85 ml water. 15 ml alcohol and 85 ml water, put together it will have 100 ml total, isn't it? In the 100 ml, 15% is the alcohol. So that is the answer. B cannot be the answer because 15 ml alcohol and 100 ml water will become 115 ml solution. So it will not be 15% alcohol solution. So A is the answer. Very good. So A is the answer. We'll go to the next question. Question 5. I think question 5 may be difficult. That maybe I think it's 11th grade question. Question 6 will go. Oh, this is also 11th grade question, I think. One minute. Question 9 I will see. Which among the following is not a noble gas? Have you heard of noble gas?
No, sir.
Oh, you have not heard of noble gas. Helium, neon are noble gas. Okay, I think this is 11th. Okay, I think these things are 11th. I think we'll close at this. We will meet again in the next class. Premi, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what you can do is you can prepare a PPT kind of thing and then give
Yes,
the
sir.
options. Instead of giving this one, you can give the options and that will be easy
Okay, sir.
for the students to answer. Options would be better
Yes, sir.
because they will get the they will get the options. Then they can say what is the right option, etc. Can do. And what you can do is
Yes, sir.
in this also you can keep calculating. You can keep writing something here. No, in the PPT itself, the calculation can be done. Suppose
Yes,
you
sir.
want to write something, no, because
Okay,
only
sir.
when you write, this online class, what happens is you have to write something, then only they can understand.
Yes,
This
sir.
needs some experience. You have to write something. So maybe in the PPT itself you can write 5 into 4 equal 20, like whatever calculation you are doing, you should write. Then they will understand. These are a couple of things, and you can ask the students to read the question by themselves. One of them. So that will make it more. You can be sure that they are able to see the question. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, students, we will continue next week. Again, science will continue. Premi will be there. I will be there. I think Premi will bring the different type of PPT questions, and then I don't know. I think next week you will be taking some chapter, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, we will take a chapter next week. Okay. All the best.
Yes, sir. Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
we'll close at this. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank